Hey everybody, good, still morning, a little bit before noon here in Chicago. My name is Jeff Casmer. I am a Forex trader and network marketer, and it has been a couple weeks since I have done a video, and I'm not going to go through the same spiel. I have so many topics to do, so many videos, but certainly focused on life and trading, and I do like helping people, so that's why I kind of do these videos. First of all, I appreciate everybody who has been contacting me through Facebook and YouTube with all kinds of questions and people that want to get on board our team. It is really, really quite exciting to be on our team, but I'll talk about that in a second. First of all, if you're interested in subscribing, please, there's a subscribe button right below there. Please give me a thumbs up if you like the content that I'm giving you today, as well as any comments or questions right below. If you're not ready, if you're ready to sign up for IMarketsLive on our team, there's a link there. There's a subscribe button there. There's all kinds of things, goodies below us. So I wanted to do a video today to kind of give you an update on SwipeTrades 3.0. If you remember, probably in a previous video, a couple videos ago, SwipeTrades released an update on SwipeTrades 3.0 on the app based on user feedback. And that's the beauty about IMarketsLive, is they take user feedback. We get surveys to fill out, all types of things and all types of ways to improve the service. So one of the things that people wanted is more parameters around what type of trades, when to get trades, etc. through the SwipeTrades app. For example, if you're in the London, let's say people like to trade in the London session, but you're asleep, well, there's other sessions that you can trade in. And so you have parameters on your SwipeTrades app that allows you not to get those notifications of a swipe trade during 2 in the morning when you're sound asleep, right? Now, many swipe trades that you get in the middle of the night, depending on what part of the world you're in, you can still take the trade, right? We teach in IMarketsLive, hey, trade's still good. We teach you how to analyze the charts and take a peek to see if you can still enter the trade. But a lot of people they'll just be worried not to enter in the trade, and they feel like, man, I missed a trade. So now there's parameters set up on what type of trades, what time of trades you want to get, all those types of things. So SwipeTrades updated the app. They also got some new traders as well who are fantastic, and released a version. Now, the first few days of SwipeTrades 3.0, it was a little kind of up and down. Everybody's kind of feeling their way out. We have some new traders. Anytime a software or something gets updated or released, there's always that little short period of time where people need to be patient as they work through the kinks. For the last 2 weeks, SwipeTrades has been blowing up. So I wanted to kind of show you some kind of results. Now, the FTC prevents us from kind of showing you dollars in real live accounts, okay? But I'm going to show you basically, by the way, that's a very young me and my dad. I'm going to just kind of show you some of the results that we get through SwipeTrades, okay? We get updates on the trades through the app, okay? And here I kind of posted this on my Facebook page. Please, if you want to reach me, you want to get inside of our team group so you kind of see what we're doing, just send me a friend request. So here, let me go here. Let me go to the first one. So this is a basic update from one. It's a signal from Starboy. And he updates us that we hit take profit 1 on a SwipeTrades app, which is 80 pips, right? So 80 pips obviously depends on what your risk is, translated in dollar value, okay? Here's another one. Boom, 50 pips on the Euro AUD, okay? Here's another one. Boom, EUR USD, 100 pips, okay? Boom, EUR CAD, 65 pips, okay? It's just, and so these are just 4 simple updates of all the pips that we are rating in, okay? So then let me be clear, okay? This last couple of weeks, they probably only lost 1 or 2 trades that I can remember, okay? So they are absolutely crushing it and on fire, right? Now, people ask me, hey, can I sign up for IML and just have the swipe trade? No. No, you can't, okay? We do it as it's an add-on component, okay? We offer 2 memberships. One membership includes the SwipeTrades app. One doesn't. And what I try to teach people too is if you're trying to get on board IMarketsLive, get a hold of me. Choose the cheaper package. Go back in once you become a customer, and then you add the SwipeTrades app for only $15. That's it. $15, okay? And I'm pretty sure for for the membership of IML or the $15 extra if you choose the more inexpensive package, you can get these results too, okay? And there's a lot more. I'm just not going to show them all to you today. So you can just see we get updates here, okay? And sometimes we'll get an update to close after we hit TP1. TP1 is, by the way, take profit 1. We hit 80 pips. Sometimes we get a notice, hey, you know what? We're not going to hit take profit 2. The market's shifted. It's changed. We are now going to close out the trade. It's just a wonderful app. I mean, it just really, really is. It just keeps getting better and better. And the purpose why this app was started was pretty simple. If you know nothing about Forex, you can get involved and get started, right? I'm the perfect case scenario, okay? I knew nothing about Forex, and if you watch any of my other videos, you already know that. Zero, okay? So I knew nothing about it, but you know what? I was really kind of interested in this. I got on board with my mentor, and I could make money with SwipeTrades, trading Forex, without really knowing too much other than a copy and paste, you know, strategy or tool, right? So I would just copy the entry point, the stop loss, the take profit, let the trade run. They send you an update to close the trade, or they send you an update updating you that you hit take profit 1 and move your stop loss up, all stuff that's very, very easy to learn. Then you just do it. But basically, you could start making money with SwipeTrades within the first couple days. Now, if you have some Forex experience and you know how to put in the entry price and all that, you can start right away. If you know none, we always recommend that you demo trade to make sure you're comfortable in how to copy and paste. But as I said before, SwipeTrades 3.0 is absolutely crushing it. I mean, it's just pounding. And here's the proof, okay? Simple proof, okay? And, you know, we've got some new traders. This gentleman's a new trader. This gentleman's been here a while. This guy's been here a while. In fact, wow, I didn't even realize that I had 4 different traders here. And this guy's been here a while. So we've got some crafty veterans. We've got some new people who are crushing it as well. They're always analyzing the team of traders, right? They trade from live accounts, okay? That's kind of something most people don't know. Originally, when SwipeTrades got released, you know, they issue a trade, but now they have to trade from a live account. So when they issue that trade alert, which, by the way, you don't have to take if you don't want to, but you're advised to, okay? And by the way, let me get this out of the way. Past results don't guarantee future profits. There is always risk in trading. So I always have to get that out of the way. But when they give you a trade, you should take the trade, right? So we teach you inside of IMarketsLive, take the trade, forget about it, don't be emotional, right? Take the trade, forget about it, don't be emotional. Do step 1, step 2, step 3. Do not think on your own. Literally, we don't ask you to think on your own, okay? Now, there's other obviously fantastic tools that people are absolutely crushing inside of IMarketsLive, but I know SwipeTrades, I know there's a ton of people out there who have reached me in the last couple weeks to ask me questions on SwipeTrades. So in future videos, I'm going to show you a screenshot of a SwipeTrade and kind of walk you through it, walk you through some of the numbers and stuff, okay? So I can't stress enough how important it is that if you are interested in changing your life, that you get on board as soon as possible, okay? I say this with full confidence. My mentor is running the #1 team in the company, okay? We are the #1 team in the company. We're not blowing smoke. We're not BSing you. We're the #1 team in the company. He's the #1 recruiter in the company. And the reason he's the #1 recruiter in the company is because we offer, in addition to the IML membership, which is already fantastic, we offer additional resources inside of our group, right? So if you're interested in knowing more and getting more information, please send me a friend request. Okay, and let me get out of here. Send me a friend request right here. Okay, there's my name, Jeff Casmer, and I will get you on board. I will get you inside of our group. It is not a permanent group. It's a group for prospective customers. You can look around. You can see it, all our leaders there. You can see what we're doing with all kinds of strategies. We get product updates, all kinds of stuff. Very, very, very important and important information, and we are just absolutely thrilled about it. It is changing people's lives. I say that in almost every video now. We are changing people's lives. If you are ready to change your life, it's simple. Reach out to me. I'll get you in the group. No obligation. You can stay in there for a day or 6 months. No pressure at all. You'll see for yourself, and you'll say, Jeff, Give me the link. I need to get on board this, okay? Why is this a perfect time, okay? This is a perfect time, okay? People always try to make up excuses, Christmas shopping, work, got to shop for bread, blah, 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 blah. You want to get on board now and start learning some of this stuff so that when the new year hits, you are pounding it from the ground up. You are crushing it from the ground up. People are making money right now trading today, right? So overcome those adversities and everything else going along in the holidays and get yourself started so then come January, you're going 30 miles per hour instead of starting January and you're starting at 2 miles per hour and everybody else is crushing it and you're still trying to play a little catch up, okay? December is always the best month to get on board for any new business opportunity. Any new business opportunity, not just trading Forex, okay? Because you can get some of that education, okay? And you're right, you're going to lose a couple days for holidays, for, you know, Christmas, New Year's, you're not trading, stock markets are closed, etc. No big deal. Other days to trade the rest of this month, you're learning, you're demoing a couple trades, and then you're ready to go, okay? That's all I got for today. I'm going to have some videos. I'm going to start next several videos. I'm hoping to just answer one simple question, right? I've got many, many questions. I've been involved in IMarketsLive almost a year and a half now, and I probably have 20 questions that I could probably roll out and do an hour and a half live webinar. But I'm going to take my time in each video. I'm going to answer questions, specific questions that I've been asked by prospective customers and kind of walk you through that, okay? So let me revisit. If you want to subscribe to my channel, leave some positive feedback or negative feedback. Jeff, you didn't help me at all, okay? That's fine. Right down there, subscribe. There's the thumb up, thumb down. If you got a comment, please leave a comment. Any questions, please reach me. Leave it in the YouTube box. I'll be glad to answer. If you want to get on board IMarketsLive right now, my link is down there. You can jump right in. If you want to get inside of our group but not join IMarketsLive quite yet, reach me. I'll get you inside of our group. Once you become a customer, once you see in our initial group for prospective customers that, oh my God, the value here is unbelievable, you become a customer, you get back to me, then I get you inside of our permanent group, which is blowing up. It's just blowing up. We're really, really excited. So that's it. I appreciate your time, and God bless. We'll see you on the other side.